All right, y'all, look at how fired that. Is this thing responding to my voice? Yo, this thing is responding to my voice. Yo, hey, with them broken wings, I hope you fly, love. Looking past the pain and find love. It's okay for you to cry, love. See, my heart was broken out the blue, and I ain't know what else to do. Yeah, hey, when I said blue and that bitch froze on blue, that was hard. Oh, no, no, no. Turn me up. Yeah. Turn me up. Hey. Yeah, 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 yeah. What they do. TJ Too Smooth, Trey Jawan. Hit that like button. It helps the channel grow. Subscribe to the channel. And it's TJ Too Smooth, Trey Jawan. Yeah, sure. Next, I'm next like yeah. Rolling in a Cadillac, bitch, call me like daddy. Bitch, I'm smooth like cat daddy. Man, what they do? It's your boy TJ Too Smooth, Trey Jawan. You already know what the fuck. That would be chill, man. You already know what's going on, y'all. I'm here in a place that you've never seen me before. You know, I just got into a new spot. So, you know, I get to stretch my arms and stretch my legs a little bit. Apartment tour coming soon, but not right now. What I am bringing you today is, bam, we have 100 feet of LED lights. I'm setting up the LED lights here in my living room. I have vaulted ceiling, so it's really nice in here. Also makes for a nice angled ceiling where I can put these lights up and make it go across. I mean, 100 feet, that's a lot of lights. So I'm thinking and I'm hoping and I'm praying that this is gonna be a easy task. Y'all know me, man. It's TJ Too Smooth. Yes, I'm too smooth. Yes, I make music. Yes, I make YouTube videos. By the way, subscribe to the channel. Share this with somebody who needs to see it after you subscribe. Hit that like button, man. It helps the channel grow. I'm helping y'all, right? I'm helping you, showing you how to do this. So you can help me out by subscribing to the channel, man. Much love. But yes, I do all those things, but I'm very handy. I do everything myself. I'm a do-it-yourself type of guy. I put the furniture together. I mount the TV. I put the bed together. I take everything up and down the stairs. I fix my own car. I'm that guy. You know what I'm saying? I'm Mr. Do-It-Yourself. So doing something like this, it's going to be, I'm praying it's going to be an easy task. So without further ado on that, y'all, it's your boy TJ Too Smooth, Trey Jawan. Let's get started. By the way, the link will be below in the description to purchase your LED lights. Amazon for just about $25. You could do the same. Click the link below. All right, y'all. So in this kit, what you get is two 50-foot rolls of LED lights, 2 rolls of 2-sided tape, as well as a 3M strip, your remote control, and your LED receiver plug. Now you plug in the power cord here, you plug in the LEDs here, and this right here is gonna be the receiver for your remote. Now, I would guess that the 3M strip is gonna be for the back of this. So you put the 3M strip there just to kind of give it like a flush fit to the wall. So I would recommend that you start off by finding a corner that's gonna have an outlet close to it so that you don't have to pull the outlet further all the way around the room. You see what I'm saying? You don't wanna have to find an outlet or a plug that's like 10 feet that way, and then you're gonna waste 10 feet of LEDs just trying to get it to the corner so you can bring it up the wall. So yeah, that being said, y'all, watch this little montage of me getting this together.
Where he has to just rely on Cooper Cup and Rulo. Feeling based on his overload package.
Just so you guys know, when you go to these corners, all you want to do is leave a little bit left over, bend it back, and keep on moving, just like you did all the way down there. Easy. Okay, Too Smooth gang. We got all of the LEDs up, got them lined up the best that I could. I mean, it's remarkably a lot longer than I thought it is. I mean, 50 feet, I guess I was just completely unaware of how long 50 feet really is. So I got an entire 50-foot roll left over. I just don't have the bezel or the connector piece or the remote piece or whatever you want to call that thing that plugs into the wall. So I got to order one online. But now this is the fun part. The fun part is downloading the app. And guys, if you don't know, the app is called Lotus Lantern. That's right, Lotus Lantern is the app. And I'm gonna download that and start playing with these lights a little bit. I have yet to do it. You guys are gonna see it for the first time. I haven't even plugged them up yet. So, oh, and where's the remote? I gotta give me an ottoman because I got 3 remotes now. One for the sound, one for the TV, and now one for the lights. Now let's make sure that this thing came with our battery. It would be just completely asinine for them to put all this stuff in here and no battery in the remote. That would just be sad. So I think there is one though, because there's a plastic tab here. I wish this would focus. There we go. Boom, tabs out. That means battery should be connected. So now, this has music connectivity. So I don't know exactly how it hooks up to the music. 1, 2, 3, 4 music modes. We got a 30-minute, 60-minute, 90-minute, and 120-minute timer. You know what I'm saying? I guess like it'll go for 30 minutes and then shut off, so it doesn't stay on all night. The lightness, the brightness of the lumens. You know, I'm just ready to try this shit out. So without further ado, let's do that. Y'all, look at how fired that. Is this thing responding to my voice? Yo, this thing is responding to my voice. Yo, that's so fire, dog. What? That's how it looks with the lights off. See what? Wow. So y'all, I basically have this thing on the music part of the music setting. So it's picking up on all sound in the room. And every time it hears a sound, it changes a color. So let's check out that Trey Jawan music. Trey Jawan Cold Summer. Hey. With them broken wings, I hope you fly, love. Looking past the pain and find love. It's okay for you to cry, love. See, my heart was broken out the blue. And I ain't know what else to do. Still stay true. Yeah. Hey, when I said blue and that bitch froze on blue, that was hard. So basically, y'all, you have all of the modes on the remote are also available within the app. And inside this app, you have adjust, where you can adjust the brightness. I like it as high as possible. You can keep it classic white, very bright, classic blue, very nice, preset static blue, a little bit brighter, purple, and so on and so forth. Let's set it back to blue and keep on going. You also have style on this app. So when you click style, it literally gives you a list. Static blue just means that it's gonna stay. Strobe means that it's gonna flash. So see, there it is. And your speed is however long you want to pause before it flashes. But I'm gonna keep it static for the sake of the video. And the music, they got these generic sounds. I'm not gonna play any of these because I don't want to get demonetized. Then they have the microphone. Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Yours, mine, ours. I can do this shit for hours. Sit and talk to you for hours. I wanna give you your flowers and some champagne showers or the shrimp and lobster towels. But it's you who gets the vow. So yes, you can change your microphone settings. And I mean, y'all, this is just fire. You can even schedule the times when you want the LEDs to turn on. So again, y'all, I definitely recommend, put it on white. I definitely recommend this app. I definitely recommend these LED lights. They work perfectly. I've seen people online complaining about things falling off the wall, but this kit actually comes with two-sided tape and 2 rolls of it. So if it ever falls, all you have to do is cut a 1-inch piece of two-sided tape, paste it over, and it's right back onto the wall. So again, y'all, it's your boy TJ Too Smooth Treasure One. I appreciate all y'all for tuning in. If you really love these LED lights the way I do, then what you need to do is click the link in the description below. Grab yourself a set. Let me know what you think about them. Again, TJ Too Smooth Treasure One, man. We gone.